company is Allcon Septic and Grading. We've been in the septic industry since '98 is when I became partners with my father. And then in 2008, I just took over full time. So we mainly do septic for homes, do some renovations, but mainly new installations. We've been using Liberty pumps since about 2000. That's about as far as I can remember. We've put so many in, so about 2000. In my work, I put it in one time, and I don't have to go back and replace them. Normally, if there is a replacement, it's normally like an electrical issue. It's not a pump issue, so that would probably be the most reliable. Liberty 281. Probably just the reason why it's just best fit for our industry in Georgia where we're at. We normally have anywhere from 15 to 30 foot of head, and it just seems to be the perfect fit for that one. The quick disconnect on the wire, I was not aware of that. Obviously, I don't change many out. My guys change them if they do. So to find that would be very useful. Not having to run a new wire to the house, just a quick unscrew and screw the new pump in is 100% for me. Oh, the facility is phenomenal. It's very educational. I mean, the grinder, the Omniboy, I think is the name of it. That's like incredible, but it's looks like it's a very green facility too. So.